1, 2, 3, go. Hi everybody, thank you for watching. Today I have a very special guest, Mr. Lorenzo. Yeah, yeah, you saying hi? Oh my gosh, so he finally has hair long enough to do it, so I figured let's do a couple hairstyles today for the first time ever. I really should get a mirror here so I could see what I'm doing. I've never done boys' hair before, so I'm sure I can figure it out. All right, friends, what are we gonna do first? So I think I'm gonna do just like a classic part with it down the side. So I don't have a mirror, and we are gonna do. Here, Bubby. You know what? We can maybe get him like a ring, one of those like rings, the rainbow ones from downstairs. Ah! I just stuck his hand in it. Ah! Oh God, Lorenzo. Ah! Thank you. Of course. Lorenzo. He's like, what, Mom? What did I do? You did it! Oh, you're okay.
Oh, I'd be scared.
I know. Sorry, Bubby. No, no. Here, hold your brush. Nope, hold your brush. Oh gosh. So ready? We're gonna put a little bit of gel. We're gonna slick it. No. Oh God, I'm done. Look. We're gonna go forward. We're gonna go forward. Look at you. So cute. Oh yeah, that's really cute. We're gonna gel the sides down. Oh no! So I think we're gonna just swoop a little bit to the front. Okay, so this is oops. Look number 1, Lorenzo, handsome, yay! Oh my God, look at him. Moving on to hairstyle number 3. Number 2. I wanna. Oh gosh. Guys, this wasn't really thought out well. I just thought it would be a fun video. All right, so now I want to like spike it. Look how long it is. Lorenzo used to have just literally 1 long or 2 long pieces in the back. I always said they were like from birth, so everything was short except for that. And oh my God, I died over it. Oh, I feel like it looks cute forward like that. Yeah, Bobby. How do we feel about look number 2? You love your chain? Look at you, Mr. Faux Hawky. Can I have a kiss? Can Mommy have a kiss? Lorenzo, can Mommy have a kiss? No? Okay, fine. When I was in middle school, all the cool boys had the front flip, but they had it bleached. It was like this. Let's see if we could do it. I don't know if he has enough hair yet, but we're gonna try. So this part goes forward. Forward. And then we're gonna flip it. Oh! Woo, yay! Oh yeah, the flip! That's as good as the flip is getting, guys. Yay! The dress was too short. Okay. And then we're gonna do the side part. Can you not make me out to be a liar and show everyone how you say mama? His first word. Somebaba. You are so handsome. Who is that? Is that Benjamin? Did you miss him? Benjamin got his hair done today too. Yeah. Let me need some gel in her hair. Oh God, he saw the gel. Thank you for coming in my video. Everybody loves you, Lorenzo. You're amazing and you're perfect in every single way. I love you. Can Mommy have a kiss? Can Mama have a kiss? Ah! Excuse you. Is that nice? Is that very nice, mister? Ow. Okay, fine. Yeah? I love you.
Hi.
Who loves everybody?
He looks like a little gentleman.
Yeah.
Hey.
Come on, have a kiss. Thank you. I got one.